me, Owen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this paper airplane designed by Foldable Flight. So let me tell you a little bit about the plane before we start. So the plane is just a really good glider. It has some speed, and when you looked at it, I just kind of saw it slanted like this, but in real life it's actually just straight. It's just actually just a straight line. So, and he said all you gotta, if you find it out rolling like this, then you have to do some changes with these. Okay, so let's get in. You'll need a rectangle sheet of paper to make flare glider. So first you want to fold it in half this way, the long way. And then flip it over, fold it down about an inch. Flip it back over, fold the corners to the center. And you guys are probably wondering, like, why are you going so fast? Well, first of all, if you are new to the channel, then pause the video if you ever need to. So, and also subscribe, smash that like button, and click the bell and the icon. So let's get back to the plane. So after you got that done, both of the sides, then you should have the packet on the pocket in the back. Well, if you match these up, good for you. Because all you have to do is just fold it down on that crease, and then it'll have points. And then fold it up. Not that it's showing, but it's not showing. So just make it so it's not showing. And then flip it back over and fold the corners in. And you're probably wondering, why are you making arrowhead again? Well, this is similar to arrowhead, but it's not. Because you don't have to go in here and then do that. Well, what you want to do is you're going to have both of these again. We'll just slide it right in there. And then you're going to put your hand in that pocket, and then you're just going to press. There. Now we see it's not slanted anymore. So if you are new to the channel, I'll do it one more time, just because you're new to the channel. Just because. And if you're not new to the channel, just wait, because there's some people that are new. Put the hand in, and then just squish the sides. Okay, now you're going to have these creases on the side. Well, you want to make a crease that hits right there. Do the same on the other. Now what you want to do is you're going to fold the point up just like that. And then do the same on the other. And then see, you're going to have both of the sides up. Well, now what you want to do is you want to open the crease. See, now you're going to have that crease right there. Well, no, just fold the crease the other side, and then just fold that part down. See, I folded it down, and then I folded it down like that. Do the same on the other. And trust me, all this folding is worth it. Trust me. And then you're gonna have this pocket right there. We'll just slide that part, slide that part in. Do the same on the other. And then fold this. Here, just wait 1 second so I can show. Fold that part up just like that. And then this is, since you made that crease up on both sides, now what you want to do is you want to take that out of the pocket and then do the same crease on the inside. And then you may put it back in. Do the same on the other. Take it. And if you see my creasing is kind of bad, don't worry. I'm not a professional. And then now we're to the wings. Now, you see this part right there? You just want to fold down the wings so that it hits right there. Make the other side match. Now, you just want to fold these sides down. About like 2 inches. Not 2 inches, but just like that. Now you got the plane. I hope you enjoy this plane. And Varu, I really love this plane. It is one of the favorites. And yeah. I'll see you guys on next time. Goodbye. Sorry about that. I just switched the camera to the other side. Bye.